my name is Thomas McAlister, aka Cop Envy, and I've been playing around with the beta version of Live 11 for a while now, and I want to share with you some of the things I've been discovering and experimenting with. The first of those is two new features on racks, instrument racks, drum racks, audio effect racks, MIDI effect racks, all have this feature or these features, and it's the randomize button and the capture or macro variations. Being able to randomize and then capture macro positions is just a really satisfying way to create variations and kind of just randomly churn out new sounds based off of sounds that you've been working on or that you've loaded up from the library or whatever. So I've got a preset here loaded up, this chord sound. And again, if I hit randomize, all of those macros will move to a random position. So let's have a listen. Something that then kind of helps is being able to capture these macro positions. I found it's good to create a capture of where you're at, so you can always come back to it, and then hitting randomize. Anytime you like a variation, you can save it in there, and then you're able to come back to these in the future. Another thing I found, which is super useful, is you can exclude certain macros from the randomization. So say the volume dial on this preset, no need to randomize that, right? That would get kind of frustrating. So by right-clicking it, I've excluded it, and you might have noticed it wasn't changing. It was just the other 7 that were the more characterful, useful macros. So that stays intact. The rest of them move around. Yeah, super useful, super fun way of generating ideas. And I always liked this on synths like Absynth and other third-party things. So it's really nice to see it in here.